Hello and welcome back. In today's video, let us solve few questions on addition and subtraction. Here is the first question. 10 plus 1000 plus 1 lakh will be what? What is the sum of 10 plus 1000 plus 1 lakh? Let's add 1 lakh plus 1000 plus 10. So if we add all the three numbers, we'll get the sum as 1 lakh 1000 and 10. So the answer is 1 lakh 1000 and 10. Here is the next question. What is the sum of the smallest 5-digit number and the largest 5-digit number? What is the smallest 5-digit number? Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000, right? Because the 5-digit number starts from 10,000. So 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. Also the largest 5-digit number is 99,999. Up to 99,999 it will be 5-digit number. After that, if you add one number to this, it becomes 1 lakh, which is a 6-digit number. So now we'll have to find out the sum of 10,000 and 99,999. So write the numbers one below the other. 99,999 plus 10,000. So 9 plus 0 will be 9 itself. Again 9, 9, 9 and 9 plus 1 will be 10. So here the answer is 1,09,999. Here is the next question. A contractor bought 38,915 LED bulbs to light a building. He had to buy 4,689 LED bulbs more. How much did he buy in all? Here we'll have to understand the given statement. He has already bought 38,915 bulbs, but which were not sufficient. So he got extra 4,689 more LED bulbs. So we'll have to find out how much did he buy in all. To find out that, we'll have to add which he had bought previously, that is 38,915 LED bulbs with recently bought 4,689 LED bulbs to find out how many did he buy in all. So previously bought is 38,915 bulbs and now is 4,689 extra bulbs bought. So we'll have to add both to find out how much did he buy in all. So 9 plus 5 will be 14, 4 here, 1 carry. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, again 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10 and 10 plus 6 will be 16, 6 here, 1 carry. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 4 will be 13, 3 here and 1 carry. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So how many bulbs he has bought in total? 43,604 LED bulbs in total. Here is the next question. Sujata wrote a short story of 17,494 words. Her sister wrote another story of 12,856 words. What is the total number of words in both the stories put together? So here again we'll have to understand the statement. Sujata wrote 17,494 words. Her sister has written 12,856 words. We'll have to find out how many words did they write, how many number of total words did they write together. So to find out that, we'll have to add Sujata's words, that is 17,494, with her sister's words, that is 12,856. So if we add both, we'll be able to find out how many total number of words they both wrote together. 6 plus 4 is 10. So 0 here, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So 5 here, 1 carry. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 3 here, again 1 carry. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 0 and 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So 30,350 words are the total number of words in both the stories put together. Here is the next question. From 1 lakh, we'll have to take away 1000 and then 10, right? 1 lakh minus 1000 minus 10 means we'll have to take away 1000 from 1 lakh first. So here 1 lakh minus 1000, 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 0. Here we can't take away 1 from 0, so we'll borrow all the way from 1. So 1 becomes 0 here. Again, this becomes 9 and then 10. 10 minus 9 is 10 minus 1 is 9 and 1 minus 9 minus nothing, 9 itself. So here the answer is 99,000. Again, from 99,000 we'll have to take away 10. So 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 1 we can't do. We'll have to borrow from 9. So this becomes 8. Again 9, 10. So 10 minus 1 will be 9. 9 minus nothing, 9 itself. 8 minus nothing, 8 itself. 9 minus nothing, 9. So the answer is 98,990. Next question. The difference between the smallest 4-digit number and the largest 5-digit number is. What is the smallest 4-digit number? Yes, smallest 4-digit number is 1000 and the largest 5-digit number is 99,999 is the largest 5-digit number. So from 99,999 we'll have to take away 1000. Here 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus nothing is 9 itself. So here 98,999 is the answer. Here is the next question. A contractor bought 48,415 LED bulbs to light a building. Out of those, 4,689 LED bulbs were damaged while installation. How many LED bulbs are functional, means working? So out of 48,915 LED bulbs, 4,689 bulbs were damaged. So how many LED bulbs were working, means functional, we'll have to find out. So out of 48,915 bulbs, 4,689 bulbs were damaged, which we have to take away. So we'll be able to find out how many LED bulbs were actually working. Yes, functional. So from 5 we cannot take away 9. We'll borrow from 1. 1 becomes 0 and 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. Again from 0 we cannot take away 8. We'll borrow from 9. So here 9 becomes 8. 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2 and 8 minus 6 will be 2. 8 minus 4 will be 4. 4 minus nothing is 4 itself. So here 44,226 LED bulbs were functional, means working. So students, I hope these questions were useful for your practice. Thanks for watching.